Doc Talk. Yeah, we keeping it smooth. Your favorite paralegal got the legal groove. From the stars in the courtroom to your cousin's case, we breaking it all down. No rush, just pace. Judge John Roach is retiring at the end of this year. And the reaction that I keep getting online is, it's okay, problem solved. Like his exit makes the recusal fight pointless. I'm going to tell you this, it does not. The timeline actually matters a lot here and it cuts a specific way. Let me walk you through it. I'm Cassandra, your favorite paralegal, and this is Legal Doc Talk. Here's what we already know. Judge Roach's current term runs through December 31st, 2026, and multiple local outlets report his finishing that term and retiring rather than running again. Worth noting, Collin County actually had to put out an official statement this year, knocking down false rumors that he already resigned. He hasn't. He's on the bench right now, finishing out his term. As you can see on the screen, that is the official statement they had to put out. And we're not going to say who put out this rumor. I think everybody know. But here's the thing people are missing. We need to lay down the two deadlines next to each other. We have the deadline for the motion for new trial, which that has to be ruled, and that we have his retirement. The motion for a new trial has to be ruled on or around August 23rd. That's the 75-day deadline under Texas Rule of Appellate Procedure 21.8. If nothing happens by then, that motion for new trial is automatically denied. Now, Judge Roach's retirement doesn't happen until December 31st. So we're going to do the math. The new trial ruling deadline lands 4 months before he leaves the bench, which means, unless the recusal motion succeeds first, Judge Roach is very likely the one ruling on whether Anthony gets a new trial, not some successor judge coming in fresh next year. So his retirement doesn't make the recusal question irrelevant. If anything, it raises the stakes on it because the recusal motion is the only mechanism that could actually get a different judge to rule on the new trial motion before that August deadline. So we're going to play out two branches here. Okay. Branch one on the left side. The regional presiding judge grants the recusal motion before August 23rd. A different judge steps in, rules on the new trial motion, and Judge Roach is out of the case for good. Retirement or not, he's gone. On the other hand, on the right side, branch two, let's say the recusal isn't resolved by then or is denied. Judge Roach rules on that new trial motion himself. If he denies it, or if it's deemed denied by default, the case moves forward toward direct appeal to the Fifth Court of Appeals in Dallas, where none of this matters anymore because appellate courts don't care who the trial judge is going forward. His retirement becomes irrelevant to the case at that point because appellate review doesn't go back through him. And there is a third scenario worth naming. Let's say a new trial is somehow ordered, whether now or down the line after a successful appeal, and that retrial doesn't happen until 2027, it will land in front of a completely different judge automatically just because Roach's term will have ended. And that's the one scenario where retirement really does reshape things, but only if this drags out that long. A couple of honest caveats. First, I'm not a betting expert on whether recusal motions like this typically succeed. That's generally uncertain and depends on the facts the regional presiding judge hasn't ruled on yet. Second, Retirements can occasionally get complicated by early departures, assignments to other courts, or administrative reassignments of pending cases, none of which has happened here, but it's not something I can rule out for the rest of the year. Bottom line, don't let the retirement headline distract from the actual deadline that matters right now. August 23rd. That's the date to watch, not December 31st. Follow Legal Doc Talk so you can catch whichever way it breaks. I'm Cassandra, your favorite paralegal, and this has been Legal Doc Talk.